I want to make it very clear that I do not have a pending beef with Senator Steve Lelegwe. I have not had a conflict with him before. His motivation to send goons to fight me, I do not have a clue what motivated that. And the goons made it very clear that it is solely because I'm vying for the position of senator in Samburu County. They made it clear to me and they warned and threatened me that if I dare vie for that seat, that they will finger me, they will teach me a lesson that will permanently send me away from politics. That the things that they are going to do to me, the physical assault, the sexual assault, will make sure that I never return to Samburu politics again in my life. This person is a relative to me. He's my uncle. My grandmother comes from that family. He's my father's cousin. And so this is the least person I expected to have a spat with me. We have never even had a friction politically. I have never gone somewhere to fight him politically. I have not even yet announced my senatorial bid officially. But I'm very aware that he has previously tried to sabotage me. There are situations where very key statements I've raised in the floor of the House have been bad or rather delayed. I have no pending beef with Senator Lelegwe. His motivation to threaten me not to vie for Samburu senatorial seat is very ill-timed. The goons went ahead and threatened me and told me that I should stay away from the race of gubernatorial or senatorial seat, any top seat in Samburu County, that I should go to women rep position because that is the position that is meant for the women. As much as we come from a very patriarchal society, we are Kenyans, just as much as all other people are Kenyans. And because of this, people should be able to understand the constitution, that we have enough rights to vie for in whatever position. I have reported the matter with the relevant authorities. The DCI are undertaking the investigation. I have reported everything. I have sent screenshots of the conversation between him and the alleged goons. I have reported also the WhatsApp conversation between me and the goons who are threatening me with very despicable threats, claiming that they are going to do things to me that I will regret ever being